All right, everybody, this is a guided walkthrough for Bandit 25, the Bandit 25 level over at the Bandit Labs over at overthewire.org. And the first thing we need to do when we solve to do any of these levels is to log in using SSH. So I've got my password for Bandit 25. I'm going to be pasting it in. It's going to ask us if we want to continue connecting. The answer is yes. And we will go ahead and paste in our password over here. Press enter. And then we're logged in. Great. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is we need to figure out what we're doing inside this level. So if we take a look over at the Over the Wire website, we've got the level goal for Bandit level 25 going into level 26. So it says logging into Bandit 25. Log into Bandit 26 from Bandit 25 should be fairly easy. The shell for user Bandit 26 is not bin bash, but something else. Find out what it is, how it works, and how to break out of it. Okay, so Bandit level 25 is all about getting access to Bandit level 26, and the way we do it is this. So we see inside here there's a file called bandit26.ssh key. So if we run the file command on this file, it says it's an RSA private key. Okay, so what does that mean? Let's talk about this. So in Bandit 25, we're given an SSH private key to log in as the Bandit 26 user. So we need to set this up first. So the thing we need to do is we need to download this. We can download the private key using the scp command. So we reuse the scp command to access the Bandit server and to download the key, because we're going to be using this key to access the level as Bandit 26. So this is what we do. Before we run the scopy command, let's talk about how this is used. So the first part of the command here, scopy port 2220, it's going to specify the port to communicate on. So we're going to communicate over port 2220. The second part of the command is going to specify the user and the server to communicate with. So we're going to be accessing Bandit 25, this user, at this server address right here, bandit.labs.overthewire.org. And the third part of the command is going to specify the file path to the file that we want to download on the remote server and the file path to save to on localhost. So over here, this is going to be, we're going to be accessing this SSH key in this directory, and we're going to be copying it to our local directory. So in the JS Linux console over here, we're just going to log out real quick, because what we need to do is we need to download this key over here, and we're going to use it using this command. Okay, so this is the command. We're going to run scopy, and we're going to try to download the file using the command over here. Let's see if it works. So we need to provide the password for user bandit25. Let's go ahead and get that. Go back, paste in the password. Okay, so that downloads the file, and we're going to see that the file is now in our directory. Okay, and then we see that the bandit26.ssh key is in our directory now. So if we run the file command on it, we see that this is an RSA private key, and we can use this to log in as the Bandit26 user. And we would do it like this. So it's the same thing, SSH. We need to use the -I to indicate that we're using a private key. Then we indicate the name of the private key file. So it's bandit26.ssh key. And then we specify the user. So the user is bandit26 at bandit.labs.overthewire.org. Oh, sorry. We need to also specify it's on port 2220. Okay, so here's the thing. This is part of the next level. So when we log in to Bandit 26 using the SSH private key, it logs us off immediately after we log in. And this is part of Bandit level number 26. So we've essentially finished Bandit level 25. So let's talk about this. So in Bandit level 25, we needed to access Bandit level 26 by using the SSH key. We successfully downloaded the key using the scopy command, but when we tried to log in as Bandit 26, it logged us out immediately. And this is part of the puzzle for Bandit level 26. So everybody, that was a guided walkthrough for Bandit 25 over at the Bandit Labs over at overthewire.org. If you enjoyed this guided walkthrough, please click on the like and subscribe buttons on the video and leave a comment underneath the video. But until next time, HackerFrogs out. Hey there, HackerFrogs! Are you enjoying this workshop? Learning new concepts and skills? If so, there's a way you can support the channel, and it's totally free. Just click on the subscribe button below the video. Also, click on the like button. And if you have questions or comments on this workshop, please leave them below the video. Thanks for listening. And now, back to our scheduled programming.